Check out this is 2010 Toyota Tundra 2WD truck. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are brake assist, passenger airbag, front reading lamps, rear-wheel drive, cruise control, keyless entry, locking limited slip differential, and AM/FM stereo. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.